This is a video walkthrough tour of 2025 East Campbell Avenue, apartment 334 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this stylish and comfortable 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in a highly desirable Phoenix neighborhood. This single-story unit offers low-maintenance living with brand new laminate flooring, neutral paint, and plenty of natural light throughout. The spacious living room provides an inviting place to relax or entertain, while the kitchen features rich wood cabinetry, stone-like countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Located in the sought-after Biltmore and Arcadia Lite area, this condo is close to shopping, dining, and entertainment, with Camelback Mountain hiking trails and easy freeway access just minutes away. Community amenities include a sparkling pool, spa, fitness center, and beautifully maintained grounds, all without the upkeep of a yard. Both bedrooms are generously sized with ample closet storage, and the bathroom includes updated finishes with a modern vanity and tile accents. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thanks for watching the tour.